Hey guys, John with Mini Motors USA. Here to go through a tire change, rear tire change on the Dualtron Thunder. It's pretty much the same as Dualtron 3 or another scooter. Just the way the wires are out are a little different. So we're going to start. We got an 18mm socket, screwdriver, 8mm wrench, 4mm Allen, 5mm Allen set of tire irons. So to start, we're just going to take this brake caliper off. So this is the 5mm Allen. Just gonna pull the caliper out, make a little room for ourselves, and kind of set it to the side here. And then what you're gonna want to do is take this bracket off, just for a little bit of clearance to get to the front fender. So here we're gonna use the 8mm wrench, and I believe this is a 4. There's a lock washer on that side to watch out for. And I kind of lost a washer in there. What you're going to want to do is remove your wheels to make a little room to access your fender bolts. The wheels lock into place. Sometimes you need a little screwdriver to get under there, but they lock in place with these locking washers. And then there's one on the lower side which just attaches right into that channel in the swing arm. There's one on both sides. And then your wheel should come out. If you just kind of tilt it to the side a little bit like this, you're going to be able to get access to your fender bolts. So then you're going to use your 4mm socket and just take these out. Okay, once you get those two fender bolts out, you move to this side. Don't worry about these two fender bolts. Instead, what we're going to do is take the swing arm off right here. It's an 18mm socket again. There's a washer in there. You might need to make a little bit of room on the tire. There's your washer. And your whole swing arm comes out. And then, since you took out the brake caliper bolt, you're making a little room for your motor wire here. You don't want to stress your motor wire, but you can kind of pull it out and set the motor down right there. And then the nice thing about the Thunder and the 3 is you're able to take the rim directly out from the hub to change the tire. So we're going to go and do that now. Just another 4mm Allen. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts. Okay, once you get those six screws out, the wheel will just separate from the motor here. And you're just going to want to watch your motor and set it down somewhere where it's not putting too much stress on this wire here. You can actually pop this out. Make a little extra room in here.